capturing footage of Santa Cruz's only regularly scheduled point-to-point train service, the Big Trees and Pacific Tourist Line, running between Roaring Camp and Felton and the Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk. The locomotives used are a couple of CF7s, 2600 and 2641, that were originally built as F7s for Santa Fe in the 1950s. When Santa Fe stopped passenger service in 1971, they were modified from the streamlined car body design to have hood unit bodies, more useful for freight service. Then the Big Trees and Pacific Railroad acquired them after it formed in 1985. During the summer, the beach train makes 2 round trips every day between the Roaring Camp narrow gauge steam train loop in the Santa Cruz Mountains and the famous beach boardwalk. So a full day of rail fanning in Santa Cruz could include a ride on the narrow gauge steam train at Roaring Camp, standard gauge diesel through the redwoods and the streets of Santa Cruz, and also the tracks on the roller coasters at the boardwalk on the Monterey Bay. One of our inspirations for making our own rail fanning videos has been Drew Halverson, an editor at Model Railroader magazine whose series Drew's Trackside Adventures shows just how much fun rail fanning can be. When we shared our work with him, he became a mutual fan, and unbeknownst to me, he was going to be in Santa Cruz for a friend's wedding. Drew and my dad made a plan to meet where the beach train emerges from the one tunnel on the route, which had been put in when the line first opened back in 1875. We arrived just as the train was passing, but Drew was stuck in traffic. While we scouted out the location for further filming, I had no idea what was about to happen.
Wait a minute.
Hey, did I miss the train?
That's not Drew Halverson, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh my God!
Train's all right. Yeah. What's going on, buddy?
I don't believe it.
Did I miss it? Did it come through already?
We were joined by Drew's girlfriend Kelly and my mom, and walked over to the Penny Ice Creamery before finding a spot trackside under the Wig-Wag at Walnut Avenue and Chestnut Street, so that we could together watch the beach train on its last pass of the day.
So how about that?
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't beat the Wig-Wag.
Wig-Wag.